So I came running from a class to receive this iPhone XR, which was delivered just today. And if you have been following me for a while, then you must know that I was a winner of a giveaway done by MKBHD. So yes, I won it. So let's unbox it together because I'm very excited. So he did not just deliver iPhone in a box, but also delivered some D-brand skins. It shows how much he loves us. So the box shows it is 64GB, which is enough for me. And now, without any further ado, let's quickly open it. So this pack has some stickers and it shows that it is product red and some money will be donated for the treatment of AIDS. And finally, here's the beautiful red iPhone XR made up of glass. Wow, once again it is beautiful. So contains beautiful earpods, no fast charger, no dongle and a USB cable. So let's do it. Oh, the other way. And now I haven't used my Apple ID since in a while. I have to reset it, and now I will get back to you in a bit after setting this iPhone up. So yes, I'm finally back after setting this iPhone up, and I have to say that the first impressions are that it is amazing. The build quality and the feel in my hands is just amazing. And I have to say it is very responsive and fast as compared to my Android phone OnePlus. And I think that's the reason why people buy Apple, because Apple adds indispensable features to their Apple products, and that makes it difficult for you to come out of their ecosystem. And once you get into that ecosystem, you have to buy Apple Watch, Apple Earpods, and also a MacBook Pro. So that's why Apple is doing really well. And I've already transitioned to the Google apps from the Apple apps, as you can see. Mail to Gmail, Safari to Chrome, and Music to Google Play Music, because I have the Google Play Music subscription, and many of the Android users are very used to the feature that is you can download songs from anywhere and play them in the music player in the Android phone. And this is the feature why most of the Indians do not own an iPhone, but I don't care about it because I have Google Play Music subscription, so I have all the songs I need. So now I will be judging this phone on the basis of performance, build quality, camera, and a lot of things, because I'm a software developer and a college student. So I have to see that whether it fits my requirement and whether it has all the juice I need out of it or not. And also I will be developing some iOS apps now because I need it. I will be installing Hackintosh on my laptop and finally be able to build some iOS apps for it. So stay tuned for the full review coming in few days. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.